What's up, guys? It's the Brick Public back here again with another video. Today's video, by the time of this recording, it is a day after the Kenobi release, so I thought for today's episode, or video, I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your LEGO Stormtroopers, because they were in Kenobi and they're cool. So, yeah, if you enjoy, please like and subscribe, and let's get to it. So these are the pieces you're going to need for the first figure. So just take the head off. Take the legs off. Get a 2/12 Airborne waist cape. Add it on right there. Jonak Toys heavy strap. I'm going to be linking the websites for where I get this stuff in the description, if you're interested in buying them. So just do that, flip it back around, there you go. This is the yellow Stormtrooper pauldron. I think it's a pauldron. I don't know if it's a pauldron for Stormtroopers, but this is from the Armored Marauder Mandalorian set that came out in like 2021, I think. And just add the helmet back on, and there you go. Nice little heavy trooper. This is the minigun I made for it, so I'll show you how to build that right now. So these are the pieces you're going to need for the minigun. If you've seen my past videos, then you'll know how to make this already. Take this little piece here, and then get a stud. Connect it together, get a stud shooter, connect this together, get this little piece here, this little piece here, I don't know what it's called, but you add it right here, and then add a little Technic piece here, right there, and there you go, there's the minigun. So you can just flip the figure's arms, or not arms, their hands, so they're like that. And boom, there you go. That's the first figure complete, and I'm gonna get with the next one. So this figure is a little bit more advanced, not advanced, but like more difficult to get into shape. So take off the helmet and take apart the torso and the legs. Thicky bricky black waist cape, camo. Add it on right there. Put the torso back on. Get this little back piece here with a stud on it. Add it on. Take this little curved piece here, take this clip, add it on, hold on, add it on right here, I believe. Nope, sorry. Add it like this, and then take this piece, put it on right here, and then just add this piece and add it on right here. Then connect it. That's not right. I forgot. Okay, so take this piece like that, like this. So then you want to attach it to the figure, and then you're going to want to take this cloth. This is from the Mandalorian Battle Pack. So this is the darker side of it. There's two sides. There's the darker side and then the lighter side. Take the darker side, bend it like that, and then add it right here. So once you do that, add the helmet on, and you're good. So the reason I said this was a difficult-ish figure is because this piece will like flip out, and there's a way to stop it. So take off the backpack, like mold it into shape almost, and then add the backpack again. And the backpack will hold some of that cloth in place, but it doesn't hold the whole thing. So add a little bit more, and then use these binocular pieces and connect them, and it will hold the rest of the cloth into place. And it's still not the best, but I thought it would look cool for the type of figure that I made, or that I'm making. Yeah. And then you just have the gun left. Simple candle piece, sniper rifle, add them together, sniper. You can give it to him, or you can just add it to the back. And yeah, there you go. Little sniper / hunter guy. So yeah, let's get with the outro. So yeah, there are the figures. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe because it helps me out a bunch. And yeah, I'll have another video up shortly, hopefully. So yeah, have a nice day, guys.